So in this video I will be covering what is information technology and what will be the topic that we have to finish if we want to sit for A levels IT examinations, and how AS and A2 is divided, because so many students they don't know what is the syllabus for information technology and how this exam is going through, and like what will be the happen, like they will provide us the computer or not. So in this video I'll be clear about all these things. Then continue with the second one, that one is unit 1. So the most of the disadvantage things that IT have, that one is IT don't provide any specific books. So we have to follow the specification, and based on specification I provide you notes and worksheet, all these things. So in our unit 1, which is fall under AS, unit 1 and unit 2, and under A2, that one is unit 3 and 4. So unit 1, there will be written examination 2 hour, total mark will be 80, and there may be some multiple choice question, mostly on binary calculation type, then short open response type question, and extended response. That means we have to describe a detail about a certain issues. So in unit 1 we won't get any type of calculator, but we have some of the binary calculation things. So this is one of the thing that I will show you in future how to do it without calculator. Then move to unit 2. Sorry, so the topic for unit 1 is, first one is hardware and software. So we will be focusing on how hardware and software performance can improve, what will be the difference between lower performance and higher performance software and hardware, what type of storage they have, and what is the difference between application software and operating systems. Then we will move to the network topic, where we will learn about what is the client server, and what is client server and what is server, what is the peer-to-peer connection, how it's work, how Wi-Fi Bluetooth work, how Ethernet cable work, what is the how we make our network more secure, how network security provide us through the internet, and all those things. The online environment topic 3, we will learn about the internet, cloud, online communities. So we will learn about how internet works, how in future how we are working with the clouds, how Google Drive working, and all those things. Online community means like we have a different type of online communities in Facebook, Instagram, so how this all work, and all those things. Then come to the topic 4, that one is IT systems. So we will be covering about system design, like when we're creating a software, what type of design we follow. There is a type of different type of diagram, like class diagram, flow chart, and all these things. Then we move to the data and databases. So we learn about what is data, what type of data we can get, what is structured data, and what is the structured query language. This is one of the language that we mostly use to collect data from the database. That one is called structured query language. Then come to the wider issues. So wider issue is actually more depend on how this IT type of things affect our environment, because there are so many laptop and computer devices are coming, right? So what type of product they are using to make this, is it environment suitable, or what type of technique we can follow to make it more reusable. And then we'll go through the data protection, like we have a lot of data in our PC or everywhere, so how we can protect them, what is the meaning of legal, copyright, and smart cities. So smart cities is mostly about home automation, something like that. So we will go through in detail when we will go through on each topic based lecture. Okay, so move to the next topic, which one is, what is unit 2. So unit 2 is considered as one of the most, not most actually, most of the students are quite afraid of unit 1, because unit 2, because unit 2 is mostly based on coding. So they will provide us a computer, and there will be file, all of the things and question will be there. Some of the question we have to write on the paper as well. That one is 3 hour written examination, total mark will be 80. There will be some practical theoretical exam. Some practical we have to apply our knowledge about coding, theoretical we have to explain some of the definition and something. So first thing about HTML that we have to cover. So HTML is not a programming language, it's a markup language, like where we structure our website. Then we will move to the CSS, which is how we color our website. Like when we see some of the color, when we open our Chrome and everything, the coloring is done by CSS. Then we will move to the JavaScript. JavaScript is functionable, like when we click on the button, how the button work. Like if there's a calculator, I want to add 1 plus 1 and then click the button add this 2. See how these things is added. This is done by JavaScript. After that, when we learn about three things, then we will work with the web page design. So we will make responsive web pages. So responsive means it will take the design of the page will be good in each and every devices. Like when I will open the web design in my laptop, it will give a different design. When I will open in my phone, it will give a shorter version of that design. So this is called a responsive design. And then we'll move to the semantic web. Semantic web is actually a part of HTML. When we'll go through this chapter, you will be much more clear about that. Then move to unit 3. Unit 3 is actually part of A2. So it will be a written 2-hour examination. Total mark will be 80. Same like unit 1, short, open response and extended response type of question will come. So the topic is to number 12 number topic is manipulating data. So here we will cover about what is big data, what is data integrity, all these things. Then we will move to the enabling technologies, like how virtual machine is working, how distributed systems, human computer interaction, storing and securing data encryption, all things is working. Then we'll move to the using IT system in organization, like inside a large organization, how they're using IT systems. We will go through in detail. After that, we'll move to the system development, like project management, waterfall method, agile approach. This one is actually this is a type of process we follow during the time of during the process, like during the period when we develop a software. So for developing a software, we just not only focus on coding, we have to focus on some of the method. Like for waterfall method, we have to gather the requirement first, then we have to do the research, then we have to do the coding, similar like that. After that, we will move to the emerging technologies. That one is how machine learning is work, virtual and augmented reality work, how Internet of Things works. Okay, so move to unit 4. Unit 4 is also a part of A2. Unit 4 is mostly covered by database, a higher version of database. So this one will be a written examination, 3 hour, total mark 80 will be given. Practical and theoretical exam both will be there, like unit 2, apply knowledge of database. So we have to apply the knowledge of database. So unit 4 is mostly about database. So we will learn about what type of data application that have in our current world. What is the user need, why user need database, how user experience database. Then we will move to the relational database concept, like if you are taking the ICT or computer science, I think you guys know what is relational data structures, data entry, structure data. So here we will go through much further or advanced knowledge. Then we'll move to the database solution, like database software, how the interface look like, similar like that. Then come to the point like how we will give you support about all these things in our classes. So what will be provided in our class? The first thing will be this class will be conducted online. So there is no IT, ICT or computer science class that we are offering offline currently. And then for each and every class we will provide a class recording. So in future, if you forget someone, something, you can just go through the class recording and then you guys can get everything, whatever we teach there, everything recorded will be there. Then we will provide worksheet on each topic. So the worksheet is not only one. For each topic it's depend, like I will go through with the students and I will understand, like if some of the students are a bit weaker, I will provide more worksheet to him or her compared to the other one. So I'm planning that I will not provide only one worksheet. There will be maximum 4 to 5 or 3 to 4 worksheet will be there. Then a test will be taken on each topic. So if I take a first test on each topic, then if I find out that the result are not that much good, then maybe there will be 2 or 3 tests will be taken on each topic. Then on the end of the exam, like there will be 7 to 8 mock paper I will take. After that, I will provide 24/7 support for coding related problems. So I think this is one of the mostly advantage thing for online classes, because for the online classes I can support you guys 24/7 if you are facing any coding related problem, because coding is a type of thing that if there is some issues came out, you need whole day to solve that thing. So that's why we're providing 24/7 our support for coding related issues. Then I will show you like how we are get how you will get all our class recording and everything. Everything I will be uploaded inside the classroom. So for June 2024 batch, we have class recording for each classes. Then we have the notes, then we have the worksheet, and then the syllabus. So everything will be recorded here. And then I will give you some demo of our current class taking. Yeah, thank you.